Okay, in this video I want to show you how to test credit cards and test your payments are working in the Stripe test mode. So very simple. What you want to make sure is you have your API key saved in here correctly, as I've shown in a previous support video. Check that one out if you haven't done it yet. And then you have this slidden over to test mode is on, and this is purple. Now once you have that, you can click on this show test credit cards, and up will pop a load of test credit cards. Now you can check any of these, it's not a problem. Obviously this is just to give you an idea to check that everything is working. So just pick one, let's pick this Visa one here like so. Okay, and you can literally just copy and paste that number. And then what you can then do is go to some of the contacts, let's say, and add a test card here. So we just literally pop in here, over to a contact. Let's put this contact on here. And you can see here, I'm just going to go to cards. I'm going to add a new contact card. Let me just pop up that information in there. 1 second. I don't know why that's not moving out of the way. Rather annoyingly. 1 second. Let me refresh that. I don't know why it's not letting me get that out of the way. That's just something on my Safari with my pre-fill credit cards. So I'm just going to click on Add New Contact Card. There we go. Click on that now. Paste the new number in, which was the test card. I can put in any expiry date as long as it's obviously not an invalid one, i.e. it's got to be past today's date. And I can put in any CCV number, which is 3 digits. Click Save Card. And now I know that is obviously tested and it's fine. I don't want to remember that on my laptop. And then if I now want to do a test payment, I can actually do a test payment in here by obviously going to Programs. I can assign a new program in here. I'm going to do a deposit one, so deposit. I'm going to take the payment now. I'm going to prepare my payment. Oh, I need to put in the description. And this is just testing that the actual connection is working and it's all okay. And then once I've done this test, then I will then slide it back over to the actual amount and make it live. Okay, so we can see here now I've done a test using the test card, all working fine. The payment was taken. Now obviously this is in demo mode or test mode, so no actual payment was taken, but at least I know it works. So I recommend that you do a test on there just to double check everything is fine. And then once you've done that test, then come back to Stripe settings. And then what you want to do is make sure you toggle that over so it's now grey and test mode is no longer on, and at least that way then you have tested everything. And make sure you click update, and that will then update the test mode from test mode to live mode. So now any payments you make will go through on live cards and be billed into your Stripe account, whereas what we've just done won't show in the Stripe account. It's just testing the system. It's just a good way just to test the payment works fine. And you shouldn't have any issues, but it's just there to make sure that you're happy that you can test a payment before you actually do a live one. So that's how you test your Stripe settings and take test